Sometimes I feel like Scarface in Miami. Getting head behind the curtains.
Yeah, hello everybody. Doing another video here. This is just an update on the garden in Canterbury. My wife took some video for me since I'm not there right now. This is some of the mangosteen right here. And also in this video, they have some workers to come out, some local guys to come out and tie some rope around a durian like the same you see here. It's a technique used to keep the durian from like shaking a lot when there's like storms or anything like that, so the durian won't fall off. Gonna be showing a video of them and how they do that. This is the tree called knot papaya. Here they're just looking at like the different spots like where the durian is, and they're gonna try to see how they're gonna get to it. This is some of the string of the rope here. Mother-in-law. And this rope acts as similar to a web, just making sure that the durian and the tree branches don't move too much, shaking the durian off in the effort to keep as many durian as possible. Oh yeah, this guy right here was faded, man. He was faded, but he was in the tree. Yeah, that's Thailand spider man. Don't sleep on him. Okay, cracking jokes.
กูงงเลยเนี่ยมึงจะทำอะไรมึงเนี่ยมึงจะเอากิ่งพุลงเหรอโอ้โหก็แค่มึงเอาเชือกร้อยตัวนี้แล้วดึงมาทางนี้ก็แล้วโอ้ยอย่านะ อย่านะโอ้ยมันจะขึ้นไปจนเหี้ยมึงได้เถอะวายโอ้ยมึง
And keep in mind, these trees are tall. These, I'm guessing about 40, 50 feet taller. I'm guessing. I don't know. You tell me. Yeah, but that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take it easy.